What's up everyone? Jay here with LMR. Today we'll be going over the process on how to remove your factory sail panels. This process can be needed from anything replacing a damaged part to prep and paint work like we're doing here today. Follow these easy steps and we'll show you how it's done. First, you will need to remove your factory roof rail moldings. If you check out the link in the description below, this will show you how to do this process. Once you have the roof rail moldings off, move to the inside of the car. Using a small flat-bladed screwdriver, pop the cover off the seatbelt anchor and remove the Torx bolt holding this in place. Go to the coat hook above the rear quarter window. Using a small flat-bladed screwdriver, remove the access cover in the center of the hook. Once this is down, you can access the Phillips screw holding this in place. Now you can remove the screw out of the interior panel. Moving to the center of the B-pillar, you will need to pull out on the panel to release the push pins holding this in place. Now that the panel is removed from the interior, you'll be able to access the 5 11mm nuts that hold the sail panel in place. Make sure to be very careful and not to drop these within the car. Now remove all of these from the vehicle. Moving to the outside, gently pry outwards on the sail panel and release it from the body. Guys, this is a simple one to knock out. Since we are getting prepared for a paint job on this new edge, we decided to pull these off and get this one ready for paint. Taking your time is key here. Make sure not to rush and keep track of all of your hardware. To see more how-to videos covering industry-leading products, be sure to subscribe to our channel, go ahead and like this video, and turn on notifications. And as always, keep it here with the real Mustang enthusiasts at LMR.com.